Good morning, everyone. It's Lori. I have a surprise video for you today, and we're going to try and do this with a cat on the table because she doesn't want to leave me alone. All right, so this is what happens when you ask one of your girlfriends, who is also a small business owner and crafter, to put together a package for you because you want to use some of her products as gifts. And I've drooled over Patty's products for quite a while, but this is the first time I've ever ordered from her. So I basically said, I've got, give me about $60-70 worth of product. I want to use it as gifting. Give me, kind of that amount before shipping, and just put together a package for me, something you think that will work within my budget. So I am going to open it up so you can see it too, and sorry, we can both be surprised by what she's put in here. I have an idea, but I think this is going to be really, really cool. So on with the unpacking. And here we have, and these are soaps. So this is Whillow Ridge Farm. So this one is called Butt Bubbles. Seriously, Patty, Butt Bubbles? It's really pretty. Oh, and it smells really nice. So I'm not sure. There's a bunch of ingredients on here. And she's even has the ingredients for the frosting. Like, look how cool that is. All right, so there's fragrance, but I don't know that it's got a specific scent. So, but it's called Butt Bubbles. All right, so that's number one. Oh my God, here's another one. Okay, this one is, what's this one called? Pretty Kitty. Okay, so look, it's got frosting with even a cherry on top. Like, how cute is that? These are adorable. All right, so we have, and these are a fair size, 190 grams. That's pretty big. All right, that's number two. What is this one? All right, we have Whillow Ridge Soap. Yeah. Okay, Purple Drop Goat Milk. Okay. Oh, it smells heavenly. I really like that. Okay. Yes, I will put a link to Patty's store and her Instagram in the description so that you can go check these out for yourself. Oh my God, like there's like way more. What's this one? Lemon Bites. This one looks nice. Yep, smells like lemon. What is this one? Oh, I remember seeing this one on our website. Very cool colors. This one's called Pool Noodles. God, these are so nice. Okay, what do we got here? That's 2, 3, 4, 5 already. Here's another one. This one's called Genie. It's cute. It's such a little, I like the little size. That's like handheld. It's perfect. A lot of different ingredients in here, but I don't see anything that stands out for being a specific scent. So, oh my God, I'm going to want to try. Ooh, that one actually, that one actually smells a little manly. I like that. Maybe I'll give that one to Benjamin. Okay, this one's called Prestige. All right, very cool colors. And just the swirling of all the colors. Like, I have not made soap, like not to this degree. So these are pretty cool. Oh my God, I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could check these out. Oh my God, there's more. Okay, so wait, there's three, 6. I've already got, oh, holy crap. All right, so, there's a lot here. I was really only expecting to get about, I don't know, maybe 10. There's definitely more than 10 here. So what have we got? This one's called Olive Swirl. That is so pretty. You probably can't see it on camera, but some of this swirl that's in here is kind of shiny. So there might be some mica powder in there, I think, maybe. I know I saw mica listed in some of them, but I don't know how well this will focus. Okay. Here's a pretty blue one. Blue balls. Seriously, blue balls. Okay, for those of you who still have a little bit of a high school mentality, we have blue balls. It's got a definite, shimmer on the top here, shimmer, sparkly, silver color going through the top. So when she swirls the tops of the logs of these that she makes, she's done a really nice job. Oh my God! So that's 9 already. What do we got here? Oh my God, tuxedo soap. So kind of because it's, I guess, black and white a bit. And, oh, they smell heavenly. They really do. They really, really do. What do we got here? Falling leaves. See, now to me, that wouldn't be falling leaves, just because I don't see any reds and oranges. To me, falling leaves, would have reds and oranges in that. But they do smell so wonderful. Oh my God, I know who I'm gifting some of these to, but holy crap. This one's magnolia, so I would hope that it's got some magnolia scent to it. Maybe. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, this one's cool because it's kind of sliced with the ridges. So you can see that. This one's called Cotton Candy. Very cute. And, oh God, they smell wonderful. Oh, orange. Something orange dream. Oh, does it smell like an orange creamsicle? I want it to smell like an orange creamsicle. I think so. Oh, these are amazing. This one's in a package. Solid dish soap. Oh, right. She mentioned to me that she's doing these dish soaps. But I think if I remember correctly, she said, oh, it's all sealed up. But it says it's food safe. So, that's a good thing. But I think she said she's using some of these soaps in the shower as well. And like this one's got lemongrass and lavender flower oil, castor seed, nothing really nasty from the looks of the ingredients. But it's a hard dish soap. I remember my grandmother used to make actually used to make dish soap all the time, but they had soft water, so it was easier for her to get suds in that. But anyways, I'll have to give this one a try. And there is a bath bomb. It's just called bath bomb. So, I would assume by the color it's probably lavender. Baking soda, citric acid, cream of tartar, yeah, all the normal stuff. It's got shea butter in it, which is nice. It's got some apricot kernel oil and some fragrance oil. So run water into the tub, unwrap the bath bomb, and drop it in. Do not eat. Isn't it funny we have to put warnings on things like that? Because some people somewhere along the line would have tried to eat the damn thing. All right, so I'm assuming this will probably be some sort of a lavender because of the color. But that is the end of the box. But oh my God. Okay, so I asked for $60 to $70 worth before shipping. And I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, and a bath bomb. Holy crap. Okay, well, so people who do wool swaps with me know one of the gifts that you're getting in your package. But I also have some coworkers that I want to share these with. I'm putting packages together for them, so they are going to really enjoy these. Anyone who gets these are really going to enjoy them. They just smell heavenly. I just want to keep them on my desk and just keep sniffing and smelling and enjoying them. But I think Sniffle here might have an issue with that because then I couldn't pet her. I'll put Patty's information in the description box below. If you like this video, want to see more, please hit the like button. It's the only way YouTube knows how to populate our videos and put them at the top so people can find them more easily. And if you are interested, hit the subscribe button and also the little bell. You'll be notified each time I do a new video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. It was an unboxing that I really wasn't expecting to do, but I need Centivision. We all need Centivision. These are awesome. If you can, order from a small business, support them. We all need the help these days. And, you know, this is a high school girlfriend, and I love every single one of these. So, everyone enjoy your weekend. Happy Thanksgiving for the Canadians, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.